Perfect. Now that you've connected your phone to the WEC controller, you are ready to control the lights. So let's open the app up here. So this video I'm going to cover about 90% of what you can do. I'm going to create a separate video for some more advanced effects if that's something you want to check out. So as you see here, there are 4 tabs. There's color, presets, scheduler, and favorites. On the color tab, this is where you choose the color. Simply tap on the color wheel or drag your finger to wherever you want. Now, if you just wanted basic colors, you can go cool white and warm white right here. If you see right here, this is showing you the color of the light. So, see what's changing as they change the colors. It's just showing you what the color of your lights is. Now, if you wanted to add another color, I'll show you how to do that here. So, if you see the light bar at the top here, see how there's different light bulbs? Like that. So there's 5. What you can do is, you can hit another one, and you can go green. So now you have blue and green. So you have 2 colors, just like that. Now you can hit another one. Let's go pink. Now, there's 3 colors. You can do that up to 5 colors if you want to create your own pattern. In order to get rid of these colors, just hit the trash can, hit the color you want to get rid of, and then go trash. Now you only have 1 left. If you just want all the colors to be the same, you only need to have 1 light up here, just like that. Now down below here, these are roofline effects. So currently we're on fixed. As you can see, that is just a fixed color. You can play around with these to see what you like, but there's shift, for example, just like that. They all do different things. Let's go sparkle. Let's go back to shift here. So then down below here, this is where you can make adjustments. So the speed of the effect, you can adjust here. So we can go as low as possible. And we can also adjust the brightness. We're not that bright. Let's make it brighter. Just like that. You can also adjust spacing, amount, and trails. Those are different effects you can check out. So that covers it for the color tab. Let's go back to a fixed color here. Now we're nice and bright. So let's go to presets. So this is just where you choose preset holidays. So there's New Year's, Valentine's. You just scroll to the holiday of your choice, and the lights will change. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. If you see up here, this is showing you the colors. See, like that? Just like before. So that's really as simple as that. And the same thing applies down here. So you can do different effects. And then you can make adjustments. So, you know, I can change the speed again on it. And I can again make it dimmer. And change it like that. So that pretty much covers color and presets. Let's go to scheduler now. So scheduler. The scheduler is where you set schedules to have the lights come on and off automatically at whatever times you choose. So you can view your schedules here. As you can see, there's no schedules right now. So in order to create one, hit create new schedule, select show, and then as you can see here, you can actually set up to 20 schedules. Whoop. Just like this. So we're going to make the first schedule. Now, as you can see here, the first thing you do is you can choose a color. So you can choose from presets here. You can choose a custom color. or you can choose from one of your favorites, like that. For the sake of this, let's do Christmas. So we're gonna set Christmas colors. Now, below it, effect. This is just where you set your effect. So if you wanted whatever you wanted, you set it here. We're gonna do fixed. And then you can adjust brightness and speed down here, and the different adjustments. And then when you're done with that, you go next. And this is just where you set your time. So, for example, if you hit right there, it lets you set a specific day of the week or a date. So for this case, we're gonna go date. We're gonna go December 1st, start time, 6. Runtime, yes, 6 is a good time to start. So runtime means that's how long you want the lights to run for. So if we want them to go to midnight, then we go 6 hours. And then this here is days. So how many days do you want it to go for? So let's do 31. So there you go. December 1st, start time is 6 o'clock, runtime is 6 hours for 31 days. Just like that. You hit done. And now it's saying your next up show is December 1st. To view your schedules, you go up here. It's also showing you right here. And then, yeah, if you wanted to edit or delete a schedule, you just go to view, edit. And then you can edit it in here, right? You can make it brightness, the color, or the time. And then you just hit done. And then if you want to delete it, you hit the pencil. And then you just go clear. Just like that. And now there's no more active schedules. So that is the scheduler. In favorites, you can save your favorite colors or color patterns to make it more easily accessible. Now, you don't have to use it, but it's just kind of an option if you wanted to. How do you save the colors here? Well, what you do is, for example, you can go to presets like this. And let's go Easter. And if I hit the heart, it will save the Easter pattern now to my favorites. So now I can hit it here. I can change the colors like this. See that? Again, if I want to just save a single color, I want to go pink. I can hit pink, then go heart. And then when I go to favorites, I can hit it here. Just like that. Yeah, it's basically as simple as that. If you want to delete it, delete a color or a color pattern, you just slide and go delete like that. And that's pretty much it. One more thing that I did mention was the dark button. So the dark button is for making lights go dark and adding space between the lights. So right now, as you see, we have cool white. So every light is lit up like that. If I wanted to add space between the lights, hit the next light and go dark. See that? Now it's one light, one dark, one light, one dark, one light, one dark, all the way. If I wanted to make 2 lights go dark between the lights, I make the next bulb dark. See that? Now 2, 1, 2. And I can just keep going to add more space between the lights. See that? Now, there's also an effect that can do this. For example, if I go to, it's either going to show up as markers or security on your app, depending on what version of the app you have, like if your app is up to date or not. So if I go markers, 1 light, 3 dark, 1 light. Just like that. So that's how you get a pot light effect.